corner of Hyderabad, something extraordinary is happening. The pizzas are being served with a side of pure nostalgia. So welcome to the Royce Pizzeria, the city's hottest 90s themed cafe. So let's go and explore the cafe. So the moment when you walk in, you are transported to a decade where mixtapes ruled and arcade games were the serious business and the CDs were the precious collectibles. Revives their childhood and Gen Z gets a taste of what they have missed these years. So not only that, there is even a shelf of board games here that screams Monopoly marathons and late night laughter. Crazy mind behind this crazy restaurant. So hi sir, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
All good sir. So what inspired you to start these restaurants in the Secunderabad only? Like why you choose this place?
I'm from Secunderabad only, I'm from KVP Gate. So this is area we grow up. My family is there, I stay. So we chose this place. Plus there was not such a great pizza place in this area which used to serve like authentic Italian pizza, not the Indianized version. So we took up this challenge and since 5 years we are here.
So sir, like why sir you only choose it the 90s retro theme? Like I want to know about it. Like the whole cafe is crazy.
Yes.
So why did you choose that 90s theme only?
Originally the idea was like we didn't have so much resources to get an interior designer or do everything. So whatever junk was lying in my house and my friend's house or all my friends' aunties, but they gave it to me and we used that.
Oh, okay. So what inspired you to start the pizzeria? Like, is there any story behind that?
It's like a very small story. Like I was working in the hotel industry since 2009 and 3 countries, and in 2020 Jan I was supposed to go to Cuba, but we took a family trip to Andamans, and there me and my brother, we went to a beach and he was like, why you don't start something? And then we saw one place selling tea.
Okay.
And like in 20 minutes we counted how many people came and bought tea, and that like why not
we can make it.
we can make something of our own, maybe small but our own.
Yeah. So like what makes Royce Pizzas different from other pizzas? Like we have Domino's
Yes.
and Pizza Hut.
Yes.
So what makes Royce Pizza different from them?
It is simplicity. It's like what I work with my Italian chefs, and We just use 3-4 ingredients. We don't compromise on quality of the ingredients. But the menu is almost the same since 5 years, but consistency and the same thing we keep on repetition. What I learned in my years of experience is I am replicating. It's nothing of my own. Yeah.
So, sir, how you ensured the freshness daily? Like, how you maintain these things?
So everything is like, first of all, we don't have a very big team. It's just me and 1-2 ladies. So we know what is there in the fridge, what we are buying. So we are always there on the side, in the kitchen always. So we know what is there, what is not there. If it is not good, it goes in the dustbin and we make fresh.
Again.
Yes.
Oh my sir. Sir, like how is the customer response as the Secunderabad, as you said, yeah, we don't have any pizzeria here. So how is the customer response towards you?
It's very good. People come from other parts of Hyderabad as well. And it's the customers who keeps us going. If you see their reviews or when they come, they tell us that is the most, actually that fills our stomach more than food.
So sir, like is there any expansion plans? Well, not only this store, are you planning to next expand this store?
No, not at the moment. We like to be a standalone because it's a family-run business. Me, my wife, my father, my brother, everybody helps it.
Okay.
Yeah. So we don't want to, make franchises or lot of branches. We are happy where we are.
But still, if the franchises happen also, we don't get the taste of your hands.
No, it's not.
No, actually I had already.
Okay.
Your pizzas are so good. Seriously so good. More than the Domino's one.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, sir. We had very good time and the food is so delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please tell your friends, give us reviews.
For sure, sir. So Roy's Pizzeria isn't just a cafe. It's a 90s experience where food, fun and flashback comes together. A place where 90s kids feel seen and first-time visitor can't stop smiling. So next time when you're craving for a pizza with a twist, keep the usual one aside and step into the Roy. Take a bite out of the past. Because sometimes the best kind of time travel starts with the cheese. So I'm your host Kanksha Gangapuram with cameraman Ravi and Ganesh signing off. Till then, keep watching Hi Visba TV.